Hey friends, welcome back our YouTube channel English Journey. I hope all of you doing good in your way to learn English language. Do you want learn English language with easy way? If your answer is yes, then this video will be good for every beginner because I want to share with you some tips in this video. How to improve your English, how to learn English language with easy way. Just imagine, friend, how difficult it has been for people, those who was start to learn English language decade ago. What do you think about them? You think they would not face any difficulties? Yes, of course they would face and lots of difficulties in the way to learn English language. But their dedication, their mindset, their focus, their hard work made things easier and they got their goals. We can also get it, but we don't. We don't because we have many excuses. Like we do not have accurate environment, we do not have any friend to take to communicate with in English language, we do not have this, we do not have that, and blame always ourselves. I'm not able to speak English language. I can't speak fluent English. We are doing very wrong because we have lots of specialities here. We have smartphone, many apps to get accurate information about English language. We can watch YouTube videos and try to improve our English language. But we do not like this. We do not take we do not take benefit of it because we are lazy. That's why that is why we we can't improve our English language. We can't speak English. If you search today, how can improve my English, how can start learning English language, you can get multiple answer of it, but you don't take any advantage. Who was making mistake? It is only our mistake. If you want improve your English, you have to be responsible and try to search how to start learning English language. You can get multiple answer of it and take advantage of it. But if you sitting at the home and keep complaining, it is only your loss. You do not get anything. That is why I am saying you continuously. I am saying continuously, you have to be responsible and take your life on the right path. I am ensure you will improve your English and your life. That is why I want to share this video. If you like, then subscribe my channel and we will meet you in the next video. Till the take care till then.